This video tutorial I will explain what is XML. XML stands for Extensible Markup Language. XML is a simple and widely used way to structure, store and exchange data in a format that easy for both computers and humans to understand. XML is like a set of rules for organizing information so that computers and software programs can understand it easily. So XML is a way to represent the data and organize the data. XML uses set of tags. Tags are nothing but words or symbol enclosed in angle brackets. And these tags are used to label pieces of information. These tags provide a structure to the data and it make it easy for both humans and computers to read and process. Now we will see how does XML work. XML works by enclosing data within pairs of tags. These tags create a hierarchy, just like how folders and files are organized in your computer. And each piece of data is enclosed in a tag, and the relationship between the tags reflects the structure of the information. And here you can see the example of person details, which is there in XML format. The person name is John, age is 30, city is New York. In this XML, person is like a container for person's information, and inside that we have tags like name, age and city, and each holding specific data. Now we will see why we need to use XML. XML is a flexible and human readable format that makes it easy to exchange data between different systems and platforms. And XML is used in various applications from web services to configuration files. Its structured nature helps ensure data consistency and compatibility. Here we will see some of the real world examples of XML. First one is web services. Many web application uses XML to communicate with each other. For example, when you search for location on the map app might send XML request to the server to fetch the map data. The second one is configuration files. XML is often used to store configuration settings for software and systems. We can think of XML as a way to specify how programs should behave. Third point is data exchange. When you export data from database, it is often saved in XML format, and this allows you to move the data between different programs and databases very easily. The fourth point is data storage. XML can be used to store structured data such as customer information or product details in a way that it is easy to read and manage. In a nutshell, XML is a tool that helps organize the data and structure the data, and making it easier for different systems to understand and share information. And XML is an important concept in the world of computer programming and data exchange. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more, and here you can see the description, and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.